crafty people. This is Ellen with EGI Designs, and thanks so much for stopping by today. Today is an exciting day. We have the Gina K, the new card kit, and this one is called Christmas in July. And what I will do is I will go through just some housekeeping things. Then I will show the incentive set and other things that I had purchased. And then I will show the kit. So if you want to skip ahead just to the kit, you can go ahead and do that. But I just want to give you a little bit of information before I started. So pretty much every month, Gina has a new card kit, and it is chock full of so many, stamp sets and die sets and stencils, and usually there's a free gift and lots of good things. So and the kit is only available at Gina K Designs in her online store. The next month, when a new release happens, she will break down the kits and sell the pieces individually. So if there's something that you really like from the kit, but you don't want the whole kit, you can purchase that next month individually. Also, every month there are usually 2 incentive stamp sets, and there is one cardstock pack incentive set. So once you get to $75 in product, you will be able to choose a incentive that you want, and you add that into your cart. There's only one incentive set per order, so if you want the two stamp sets, you would need to place 2 orders. So it would be 2 orders of $75 or more in product. And if you want 3, then you have to do 3 orders. So now that the new kit is out, that means that last month's kit is available for individual sale. This is the enclosure from last month. It was called the Relax and Have Fun card kit, and it had this really cool, all these like gaming, Polaroid, a phone, there's like text bubbles, all these really cool things in this stamp set that was called the Next Gen stamp set. And I did actually make a gaming themed card for that, and I'll put we'll put a little thing on the top of the screen to link over to that if you wanted to watch that. Then we have the Great Outdoor stamp set. We have the Happy Hibiscus layering stencils. There is the die set that goes with that. And then last month there was a free gift. It was the Spice of Life stamp and die set, but that is not being sold individually since that was a gift. So all of those items, except the free gift, are available now. And everything that I link last month's kit contents in the description box, and I'll link all of these that I have today in the description box. I do have affiliate links, so everything will be there for you to check out. I'm just trying to think if there's any other housekeeping items. I don't think so. This box wants to get opened, so I did divide up my orders into 2 because I really wanted both of the incentive sets because they are gorgeous. So let's get this out of here. Okay. So again, I'll go through what I have here, and then we can go through the contents of the kit. So we have all these. And I did want to let you know also is that usually the stamp sets have a coordinating die. They are not for free, so you do need to make sure you add this into your cart if you do want the die that goes with the incentive set. So this month we have 2 new stamp sets for the incentives. This one is called Let Your Dreams Be Your Wings, and you can see that written here, and this one is a mirror image of that, so you can do a lot of really cool techniques. This is so gorgeous though. And here is the matching die set for that. So pretty, as you can see. I just love that so much. And then the second one, I just fell for this sketchy look here. This is called Sketch Roses. So pretty. And then we have You're in My Thoughts, Birthday Wishes, Thanks So Much. And again, I got the die set that goes with that, and that cuts out all of the pieces. So we have that. There are a ton of products available in this release. These are just the ones that I picked up. There are a whole bunch of other things that you can get, so you can check out. Right now, the regular part of the release is available online, pretty much everywhere, you know, Simon, Scrapbook, probably Cherry on Top, Gina K. So you can check that out at any of your favorite places. But so this is just a little sampling. So we have this absolutely gorgeous background. This is called the Iris Gaze. Look at how pretty these irises are, and I just love that swirly pattern. So it's so great to, you could easily color it, use the like the Color Sparks powder, the pigment powder, mica powder, and do a really cool background after you heat emboss this. Markers, you know, lots that you can do with this. So this is just so pretty. And then this one was so cute. I could not take it. I have fond memories of my daughter when she was small. She got to bring home Professor Hootsburg, which was a little stuffed owl, to take care of for the week when she was from school when she was young. And these remind me of them. They're so cute. So this is called Hoots and Owls, and it does have a coordinating die set, and we've got lots of sentiments, and then we have these kind of funky looking flowers, and these owls are just hilarious. I love them. So cute. And so happy anniversary, hoo hoo hoo, happy birthday, thinking of you, sending love, thank you, good luck, get well, hoot, and hello. So, and you can pick up the matching die set for that, and it does cut out everything, and it cuts right around the sentiment, so that's very nice too. And then we have a couple of new Poly-glaze sheets. This one is the layered Mistletoe, and this one is Let Your Light Shine. And these have big images, sentiments, and this one is for, these are both pieces that are in the kit to match with that. So next we get to look at the kit. But if you've never used Poly-glaze before, I can put a link up top of how to use it. Basically, you would use, you can use a laminator, a ink machine, Gina has a fuse machine, and you cut out your image, and then you put the foil on top of that, and then you run it through the machine, and where it's gray is where the foil will adhere. So it's pretty much foolproof. It's awesome. I love that. So alright, without further ado, let's get into the kit. I'm going to get that out of the glare for you. Alright, let's see. Alright, first up, we have the map. Lots of stuff in here. Okay. So, this month's kit, it is called Christmas in July card kit, and it has the Let Your Light Shine stamp set, die set, and stencil. And then we have the Oh Christmas Tree stamp set and die set, layered mistletoe stencil, and there is actually Gina said she didn't print it on here, but there is a die for that as well. And then you get a free gift, and this is the Starlight Sparkle Gel. So it's completely clear, and it just has iridescent glitter or mica or whatever they put in there, but so it's going to dry clear, so you can use it, you know, for really cool like snow effects or things like that. So let's see what we have. Okay, so this is the Let Your Light Shine, and just I love these big sentiments in the mixed font. So you see here that you have the string of lights, and then you use the stencil to color in the lights. So you can color them in all different, you can color them in, you know, the typical colors, whatever you want to do. Once you do that, you could even put the sparkle gel over that so that they look twinkly and sparkly. So that's an idea for you. So we've got Let Your Light Shine, Merry and Bright, You Light Up My World, Merry Christmas, and Feel the Magic of the Season. And then you have some various star shine, like starburst kind of things going on there. So lots you can do. So here's the stencil for that. And so you would just, you know, stamp that on your paper, and then you can use, I'm just trying to line it up a little bit so we can see. So you line it up with all of the light bulbs and the strand, and then you can stencil that in. So that's a great idea. And also, if you have the Poly-glaze, you would foil that and then again color those in. So that's awesome. And it comes with the die set for everything, including the strand, which is pretty cool. Alright, and then next we have Oh Christmas Tree. The great fonts down here. Oh Christmas Tree, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to you and yours, and Happy New Year. And these are all layerable. And some of them are a little kind of like a funky style, like you could use this inside of this, you know, these on top of this, this with this. So you can do a lot of layering. You can use, you know, you could do heat embossing to make it really, you know, with like silver or gold, make it really sparkly, or white if you wanted to make it look like it had snow on there. I'm just trying to look for the other pieces here. So then we also have sort of that, and these all cut out right around the sentiments, so that's awesome. So that is a very cool set. And then here we have, so this is what I was saying, there is a die which you can use on the Poly-glaze, or you can use on the stenciled image. And it does have a bow and the mistletoe with the berries. I love when all of the products coordinate, because you can, you know, do the Poly-glaze, do the stenciling, do all the things. So this is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. My light is flashing. Alright, let me grab that. Hold on. Sometimes my recessed lighting in my room likes to have a disco party, so it just starts flashing, and it's pretty funny. But anyway, so there are 4. You have the bigger outline, then you have the detail and the berries, and then the detail for the berries, and then you have 2 layers for the bow. So that'll kind of give it a 3D look. And I'll try to turn this and see if you can. There's so many layers, it's kind of hard to see the whole, maybe right there. So this will be great for really easy Christmas cards or holiday cards. Just, you know, do assembly line. You know, either just put this right on the card front, or you could cut it out and, you know, put that on your card front from there. But lots of really cool things that you could do with this. And again, they sparkle gel with starlight. So this is really awesome. It's an iridescent within a clear gel. So perfect for winter, Christmas, holiday cards, all that good stuff. So just to recap, we have the layered mistletoe stencil and the die. We have the Oh Christmas tree and the die set. We have the Let Your Light Shine and the die set. And the gel. I think that's it for the kit. So as you can see, this is a amazing value, because to get a stamp and die set just normally is going to be probably $20 to $30. And then you get, so 2 stamp and die sets, a die, a stencil, and this for a very small amount of money. So that's, oh, and I forgot this. So see, even more. So this is this kit is a fabulous value. All right, so we have that. We have the new Poly-glaze that matches. We have the Hoots and Owls stamp and die. We have the Iris Gaze background, beautiful. And the 2 new stamp incentives, the Sketched Roses and Let Your Dreams Be Your Wings. So great release, and again, this isn't even scratching the surface on what was available this month. So you know, head on over to your favorite online store, shop Gina, and, you know, check out the full release and see if there's anything that you might like there. So I will link over to the unboxing video for the Relax and Have Fun card kit, so you can check this out, because this is a really cool, all of the pieces in here are really awesome. So and then I will also, on the end card, I will link to a card making playlist, so you can check out a lot of these things in action, and that'll give you a whole bunch of inspiration. If you're not already a subscriber and you found value in today's video, I would love it if you could hit that button. And I would love it for you to join my crafty community, and come join me over on Facebook, Pinterest, and my new blog at egidesigns.com. Okay, thanks so much for stopping by, and check out those videos that are coming up. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.